Hi, Texas. Welcome to the second weekend of December. It looks like this is going to be a warmer than average weekend with temperatures easily into the 70s. There are some rain chances showing up, and we're tracking this big pattern change that comes our way next week. You're looking at the upper level winds next Tuesday afternoon. So these are winds essentially at about 18 to 22,000 feet off the surface of the earth. Big low pressure system. We call this a storm in the Rockies, and you've got a ridge out here in the Gulf. The combination brings us some warm and humid air through the weekend. Want to point out also these red arrows here. These are very strong winds aloft coming through the region Tuesday afternoon. So that helps to lift the air. That helps for thunderstorms to develop. It can also lead to some twisting in the atmosphere, which then can set us up for some severe weather, if not tornadoes. So this is a really strong, especially for this time of the year, upper level low pressure area spinning over the Rockies, not cut off, not even closed off. It's just a deep, deep area of low pressure. So that's going to be the big weather player as we go into next week. As for the next couple of days, we have a front that meanders through the area through Sunday, bringing us temperatures in the mid-70s tomorrow, upper 60s on Sunday, chance of rain here with the frontal boundary Saturday night. Then Monday, Tuesday, we warm back up. Then the stronger front with the storm system comes through. And so you've got about 4 more days where temperatures are in the 70s, and then the bottom falls out. Look how chilly it is as we make that run up to Christmas through the 19th of December. Temperatures are going to be well below average from Thursday through Monday. Overnight lows, well, of course, even colder. These are more like spring-like overnight lows here in the 60s and 50s through Tuesday, and then colder than average temperatures take over Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. In fact, nearly, if not below average right on through Monday the 19th. Rain chances, there is a 70% chance of rain on Saturday. Most of this is after 4 p.m. Most of it is likely Saturday night now into Sunday morning. So Sunday, there's a 40% chance for leftover showers up until about 10 or 11 a.m. Monday, just a 20% chance of rain. Then that strong storm system moves through Tuesday, so an 80% chance of rain. A few leftover showers will be possible Wednesday, so up this to a 30% chance. Then Thursday and Friday, we dry out with sunshine returning, but again, that's cold sunshine. As for your severe thunderstorm risk outlook, this is for Saturday, and it's a marginal risk, and it's all across the area. Kind of surprised to see this, to be honest with you, because we don't have a lot of upper level support for severe weather. We don't have a lot of instability. We have plenty of humidity around. The rain seems to develop behind the front. And so when that happens, the thunderstorms tend to be more elevated, and when they're elevated, they can't become surface-based. So if there's a threat here, I really think it's going to be in terms of maybe some quarter-sized hail. I think that's the main threat. Maybe farther south where there's a little more instability over deep East Texas, there might be even the slightest little chance for tornado spin-up. But this is Saturday at 3 o'clock. We've got rain approaching. This is what we call low-resolution data. So this would make it appear as if you've got this large area of rain from Memphis back to Abilene. Essentially what this is showing us is that there is a chance of rain anywhere within this boundary. The darker greens and the yellows would be a more certain chance of rain. So this is going to be moving south and eastward through the evening, and I think that's your better chance of rain late Saturday night into Sunday. By Sunday at 5 p.m., we're cloudy. We've got a north wind in Tyler, so temperatures may fall back into the low 70s Sunday afternoon, with some sprinkles around into Monday morning as the flow returns back to the south. The moisture increases, a few scattered showers. These are not severe. Tuesday, our storm system begins to take shape. This could be a line of severe thunderstorms that would move toward East Texas Tuesday. So right now, Tuesday appears like this. There is a slight risk of severe weather out here toward Tyler, and an enhanced risk of severe weather, including our eastern counties, in most of the Arklatex and the Arklamis. This little light green area up here is generally the Friday into Saturday, any kind of rain and or thunder that could occur. But when we drill down on this for the severe thunderstorm potential, so this is looking at taking the instability and the rotational possibilities in the atmosphere, combining those two, and what it's telling us is that there is a possibility of seeing a higher than low chance of severe weather east of Tyler down toward Houston, and that's Tuesday at midday. Rainfall outlook's decent Saturday, more so Tuesday. So we are talking the possibility here in the next 7 days of picking up 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rainfall. Again, we need it. We're still running about a foot below average when it comes to rainfall for the entire year. So if we can cut into those deficits, that would certainly be welcomed. In fact, right now, Tyler is sitting at about 8.5 inches below average. Longview right at 11 inches below average, and Lufkin is solidly at a foot below average when it comes to rainfall for the year. So if we can get 2 inches of rainfall and at least make up some of that deficit, that would be really nice. All right, hour-by-hour forecast for Saturday. We're skipping ahead to 2 p.m. Cloudy skies. I think it's still mainly dry through 2 p.m. 3 p.m. we have a chance for some showers beginning to develop. By 4 p.m. it's a 40% chance of rain. At 5 o'clock it's a 50% chance of rain. At 6 o'clock it's another 40% chance of rain. As we head into the evening, the rain chances are increasing. A 50% chance at 7 p.m. and a 60% chance at 8 p.m. And then that will increase as high as 90% overnight into Sunday morning. Hour by hour, or I should say high temperatures across the area. Upper 60s out to the northwest. Paris, in fact, around 66, 72 at Linden, 71 at Pittsburgh. Central counties, mid-70s, Mineola, Gilmer, Tyler, up to 75 before the showers and thunderstorms arrive. Henderson up to 77, 76 at Panola. Palestine, 75, Athens, 74. And again, sunshine giving way to showers late in the afternoon Saturday. Over Deep East Texas, it may take until Saturday night to see any rain. So cloudy skies, highs in the upper 70s. Crockett, 76. Jacksonville, 75. Nacogdoches and Center, 76 and 77 degrees. Hemphill around 76. Lufkin at 77. And Groveton, cloudy skies up to 78. Here's the Barrow Scott White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. And again, as we've talked about, there's a big change coming our way, but not until next week. So really, afternoon, evening, overnight showers Saturday with a high temperature of 75 degrees. Morning showers left over Sunday, high temperature of 67. Cloudy, likely dry Monday, maybe some drizzle or spits under a gray sky, 70 degrees. Thunderstorms on Tuesday could be severe, an 80% chance of rain and a high of 71. Leftover morning showers on Wednesday, then partly cloudy by the afternoon, much cooler, 59 for the high. Even cooler yet on Thursday, 53 with morning lows in the 30s. We'll have some frosty, if not freezing levels as we get into that final weekend before the Christmas weekend. So Saturday morning down to about 32, then some showers rolling in as we head toward the 19th of the month. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great weekend, everyone.